welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be teaching you guys how to upload a PDF file on Facebook. Needing to share a PDF file with your friends or followers on Facebook but don't know how? Well, today in this tutorial I will guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app in your device and then log into your account if you have not already. Here, select menu present on the bottom right of your screen and then go for groups. After that, select the certain group where you would want to upload a file for. As you can see the options on the group page, tap on files and then select add files. Here, browse on your device and upload the desired files. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded a PDF file to Facebook. Your friends, followers, or group members will now be able to view and interact the PDF file directly from your post. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.